Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain key of 23rd June 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment contains 4 sums. Let me explain one by one. Now the first question is solve 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Here to solve, these are the left hand and right hand side we have the fractions. When we have the fractions, first we will try to eliminate the fractions. Okay? Then our simplification become easy. To how you can eliminate the fractions? Then multiply with its reciprocals. That means denominators. So denominators having the different denominators. With which denominator we need to multiply? Yes, it is better to multiply with their LCMs. So we know that the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. It is very clear. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So it is better to multiply with both sides with 6. Okay. So in the solution part, both sides multiply with 6. We get 6 into 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to 6 into x minus 3 by 6. Which gives, here in bracket we have the two terms, both the terms we need to multiply with the 6. So 6 into 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 6 into 1, 6 equal to this 6 and 6 cancel, x minus 3. Now 3 ones, 3 twos, which gives 2 into 6x, 12x plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 6 is again we have here equal to x minus 3. So like this equation have both sides variable. All the variables better to transform the one side and the constants will be transformed into the other side. So here 12x this x will be transformed into the left side minus x equal to right hand side we have minus 3. This plus 2 plus 6 will be transformed into the right side minus 2 minus 6. So from this 12x minus x is equal to 11x equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Now 11 is multiplied with x will transform into the right side will be divided. Then x is equal to minus 11 by 11 equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is our solution of the first equation. This is the first question children. Let me explain the second one. The second question is 5x minus 2 into x minus 2 into 2x minus 7. 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Here only one fraction is there, that is 7 by 2. Its denominator is 2. So to eliminate this denominator is better to multiply with both sides 2. So in the solution part, both sides multiply with 2. Then what you will get? 2 into 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 equal to 2 into 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Now here see 2 into 5x 10x minus 2 into 2 4 into 2x minus 7 equal to 2 into 2 4 into 3x minus 1. Again 2 into 7 by 2 7 only. This 2 into 7 by 2 will cancel 7 only. Now 10x minus 4 2s are 8x plus minus into minus plus 4 7s are 28 equal to 4 3s are 12x minus 4 1s are 4 plus 7 is there. Now 10x minus 8x 2x plus 28 equal to 12x minus 4 plus 7 minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Now this 2x will be transformed into the right side. 28 this 3 will be transformed left side plus 3 minus 3 equal to 12x plus 2x will be transformed minus 2x. Now here see 28 minus 3 is equal to 25. 25 equal to 12x minus 2x is 10x. Then x is equal to 25 by 10 is equal to x. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 2 is our solution. This is the second sum solution. Okay, let me explain third one. Third question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. X by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here denominators is check now 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us find their LCM. 2, 3, 4, 5. So with 2 1s are 3, 2 2s are 5, 3 2 5 co-primes. So no need to find. So LCM is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So both sides multiply with 60. Both sides multiply with 60, which gives 60 into x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to 60 into x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now both the terms multiply with 60. 60 into x by 2 minus 60 into 1 by 5 equal to 60 into x by 3 plus 60 into 1 by 4. Now 2 1s 2 30s, which gives 30x, 5 1s 5 12s, minus 12 is equal to 3 1s 3 20s, 20x plus 4 1s 4 15s plus 15. Now all the variables will be transformed on the one side, which gives minus 12. This plus 15 will be transformed minus 15 equal to 20x minus 30x. Okay, minus 12 minus 15 minus 27 equal to 20x minus 30x minus 10x. Now minus 27 by minus 10 is equal to x. So therefore x is equal to 27 by 10 is, this is the solution of the third one. Okay, now the last one. Fourth question. Solve n by 2 minus 3n by 4, 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. So let us find the denominators. 2, 4, 6. LCM of 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 3, 2 3 co-primes, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is equal to 12 I got. So both sides multiply with 12. Both sides multiply with 12. Then what you will get? 12 into n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 12 into 21. That implies 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4 plus 12 into 5n by 6. All the terms multiply with 12 equal to 12 into 21. Now 2 ones 2 6. 6n minus 4 ones are 4 3s, again 3 3s are 9n plus 6 ones 6 2s, 2 5s are 10n is equal to 12 into 21. So here see positive values 6n, 10n, 16, 16 minus 9n, 7n. 7n is equal to 12 into 21. Here see 7 is multiplied with n, will be transformed into the right side, will be divided, then n equal to 12 into 21 by 7. 7 ones are 7 3s, 21. Therefore, n is equal to 12 3s are 36. So, n is equal to 36 is our solution. This is the last question. Thank you children. These are the 4 sums solutions.